Hi again, I'm Mike Konrad, member of the SMTA Global Board of Directors, where I'm Vice President of Communications, back with you once again, this time for the SMTA update for the month of January 2025. Here's what's happening at SMTA. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season. On the second Friday of each month, in this case January 10th, SMTA will host Water Cooler Friday. We invite all SMTA chapter officers and SMTA board members to join us. This is your opportunity to bring up whatever is on your mind. No structured agenda, no complicated sign-up process. Just come if you have something to share or a question that needs answering. On Thursday, January 23rd, SMTA will hold its second annual Ultra High Density Interconnect Symposium in Peoria, Arizona. As the semiconductor industry charges forward, demanding ever-increasing performance and miniaturization, the SMTA Ultra HDI Conference sets the stage for industry pioneers, researchers, engineers, designers, and academia to engage in the active sharing of information while addressing the complexities and innovations reshaping the world of Ultra HDI technology. 12 presentations will be presented by subject matter experts on topics including lab-to-fab updates, miniaturization in assembly, PCB fabrication breakthroughs, DFM and signal integrity, future technologies, a look at emerging innovations, and much more. Also on Thursday, January 23rd, the Upper Midwest chapter will host a live technical meeting on the subject of Manufacturing by Design is the New DFM. This event takes place from 2 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. Central Time at the Hennepin County Technical College in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. From January 27th through January 30th, SMTA will host my favorite event of the year, the Pan-Pacific Strategic Electronics Symposium, affectionately known as PANPAC, where innovation meets the Pacific breeze and academia meets industry. PANPAC 2025 takes place at the Sheraton Maui Resort and Spa in beautiful Maui, Hawaii. Founded in 1996, the Pan-Pacific Strategic Electronics Symposium is SMTA's longest-running conference, and I'm honored to be the conference chair for this event. PANPAC strives to build bridges and nurture relationships across all boundaries, oceans and cultures, industries and technologies, companies, and individuals. Its location in Hawaii always provides the requisite isolation from day-to-day distractions necessary to support these goals and enhance personal face-to-face interactions. PANPAC features 33 high-level papers and presentations, as well as 3 keynote presentations from academia and industry. Learn what's next for our industry while experiencing an unparalleled networking opportunity at PANPAC. I look forward to saying aloha to you in Maui. From January 28th to January 30th, visit SMTA in booth 305 at DesignCon 2025 at the Santa Clara Convention Center in Santa Clara, California. DesignCon is the premier high-speed communications and system design conference and exhibition offering industry-critical engineering education in the heart of electronics innovation, Silicon Valley. 3 days of education, exhibits and networking, technical paper sessions, tutorials, industry panels, product demos, expo hall, and social functions. Save 15% off all conference passes and get a free expo pass. Just use promo code SMTA25 when you register. For more information on any of these events or to register, visit smta.org/events. Not a member of SMTA? We can change that. Consider joining to receive the many benefits SMTA provides, including over 5,000 fully searchable technical papers in our knowledge base, on-demand webinars, 101 and advanced 201 level training courses, networking events, career resources, SMTA certification courses, and a network of local chapters around the world. And here's some really great news. During its final meeting of 2024, the SMTA Board of Directors approved a proposal to make all online training courses free for all members beginning right now, 2025. The decision brings even more value to SMTA membership and simplifies member access to training. The changes will take effect after January 2nd. Members will simply be able to order courses, and as long as they're signed in, they'll immediately be able to check out and view their courses in the SMTA classroom. If your employer is an SMTA corporate member, ask them to provide you with a login so you too can begin benefiting from all SMTA has to offer. Individual memberships are available for just pennies a day. For more information, visit smta.org. Well, that's it for January updates. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, Happy New Year, and I'll see you again in February.